All right, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we're going to be doing some Chipotle honey roasted peanuts. A real easy snack to make up in a big hurry. All right, you want to start off by melting in a pot 2 tablespoons of butter, followed by 2 tablespoons of honey. You want to do this over a medium to medium-low heat. And you also want to stir fairly frequently as you don't want the honey to burn. You want it to get nice and incorporated with the butter. Also, you want to preheat your oven or start preheating your oven to 325 degrees. Okay, keep stirring that. And then once it's melted to your satisfaction, you're going to want to add a 16-ounce canister of plain peanuts. Just no salted, no roasted, just plain raw peanuts. You can find these at any decently sized big box grocery store. And then after you spin them around, get them all coated and everything's all wonderful and great and good and happy, you want to place these on a baking dish, and you want to bake them for about 30 minutes, stirring a couple of times if you feel the need. I didn't, and they turned out great. Also, you want to add a little bit of salt into that pot there, too. All right, let's move on to the next step. All right, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, the 30 minutes have passed. One important thing, make sure you line the baking tray, whatever you use, with parchment paper. It'll just make your life a lot easier in this situation. Anyway, you want to get the peanuts in the bowl and time to add our spice mix. This spice mix contains 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1½ teaspoons chipotle powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then you just want to give these a stir till, you know, they're all ready to go and happy, and then you're ready to serve. Chipotle honey roasted peanuts. Done.